This is the external RSP box. I'm going to show you how to install the RSP. So it comes with a lock. I'm going to unlock it. And it is sealed, waterproof. You can see the mesh here. And it has the holes for CT and power cable routing, which I'll mention as I install the RSP. So it is very easy to install. You just slide it in like this. And it comes with 3 screws that you use to secure the device. And the other 2, I'm not going to install them now, but they are right here. Next, I'm going to slide in the meter head. And the next step is the breaker box. And of course, after installing the meter head, you can route your CT and power cables here, and you can also change the direction of it. You can use the holes down here. And there is enough space for all the cable management that you do. And finally, I'm going to put the cover on. And that's it.